Hey everybody, welcome to V5, where we spend exactly 5 minutes getting on our soapbox, some of the hottest topics in all of B2B, SaaS, and sales. This is going to be a fun one. I have the one, the only, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Kyle Coleman, CMO Copy.ai. How you doing, Kyle?
I'm living the dream, my friend. It's great to be here.
Great to have you. Good to see you. Kyle would not tell me the hot take, so I'm going to hear it at the same time you guys hear it. So that's how we play, Kyle. 5 minutes, fire off. Hot, spicy take. What do you got?
Hot take is learning how to prompt is a waste of your time. Everybody's hearing about all the rage is ChatGPT, and to get real value out of AI, I need to learn these really in-depth prompt engineering skills. I need to be able to manipulate these models, on and on and on. Like, this is what you're hearing. And that may be true to get some value out of AI today. But if you're a sales leader, if you're a go-to-market leader, and you expect to realize the transformational value of AI, by expecting all of your sales reps, all of your marketing team to learn how to prompt, you are going to be sorely disappointed. And the parallel I draw, Jarod, is if you're going to go build a website today, you're not going to go learn how to write HTML. You're going to go get Squarespace. You're going to create a website in a day. And it's the same thing for how to get real value out of AI tools. Forget about the prompting. The best AI solution should do that for you so that you can integrate it into your systems and everybody can really realize the full value without needing all the change management of learning a new language, which is what prompting is. So there you go. What do you think?
That's a good one. That's what we aim to do. Where have you seen this play out really well? Because I'd imagine, we've seen this for the last, let's take 2 years. It's been like in our hands, pretty transformative. And we've seen a lot of takes on this. One thing I've seen, it moves really, really fast. And so what got you to that epiphany of like the waste of time on prompt engineering is time I could have spent somewhere else? What got you to this take?
Yeah, it was mostly dry. It was hearing how people are disappointed with AI and they don't believe in the value of AI because their experience with it was going into ChatGPT and being like, write me a blog post. And then the blog post sucks because your prompting sucks. And then they say, no, AI is just a fad. It's never going to be valuable. I've heard that or a story similar to that for SDRs and salespeople and sales engineers and on and on and on. Like same sort of thing. Upload a transcript from a sales call and say, give me the medic information. And it doesn't work. And so the flip side of that is you have the one salesperson that's going crazy inside your organization and they're spending 20 hours a week learning how to prompt. And now they're not doing their day job. And so it's like, I've seen both sides of this spectrum. Now, I understand the enthusiasm because it's exciting. This new technology is exciting. But you're totally right that the market has moved very fast. And the best products are abstracting or eliminating that need for you to do the prompting. They're eliminating that. And they're delivering the value that you're going to get out of these LLMs in a different sort of way. So skate toward that different sort of way. Again, otherwise, the change management inside your organization is going to be immense and you're going to be disappointed.
And then, Kyle, you've seen the full gamut, I think, of all kind of use cases. Where have you seen kind of AI transform kind of your top of funnel sales development set based on prompt engineering skills or not? Where have you just kind of tell the people what you've seen?
I'll give you the high level answer, which is what is AI really good at? It's really good at synthesizing huge amounts of unstructured data. In the past, that took humans to do. We needed human analysts that were going to read the reports, read the 10Ks, read the earnings calls, do the research on the internet, whatever it is. Like it took humans to do that synthesis of unstructured data. Generative AI is way better, way faster, way cheaper than humans are at doing that. So that's step number one. Let's get and shrink or collapse the time to insight. From there, you need to execute. Okay, you've done the research on the account, you have it all, AI has done that for you. Now you need to do something. Like you need to write the outbound emails or do the ABM campaign or create the custom content or something like that. And AI is very good at this as well. So now you can collapse the time to insight, you collapse the time to execution, and now your go-to-market team can start running with real sustainable velocity. And it's across everything. Content creation, campaign execution, account-based marketing, deal coaching, outbound, inbound lead processing, everywhere. It's everywhere. You just have to look for it. And you have to understand and have the best practices that you can train the AI on so that it's doing the things that you uniquely need to do for your company.
Amen. Love it. Speak gospel, Kyle. It was funny because we had Blue Bowen on a couple weeks ago and I asked Blue what his hot take was. And he said, hey, AI SDRs are the future, but for processing inbound. He went specifically to that use case. And I said, I got Kyle out in a couple of weeks. I'm going to ask him his take there. So Blue said, yeah, it's going to change the game broadly, but he talked specifically for AI SDRs to process inbound leads. And I just wanted to get your take there.
I see no problem with AI SDRs taking an inbound lead, a demo request lead, doing research on that lead, doing lead scoring, writing the follow-up, and sending automated email. But you and I both know, Jarod, like you're not going to get everybody to convert by sending them an email. There still is human in the loop. That's really important. You need to make the phone calls. You need to do the LinkedIn work. You need to prove that you care about the people that are raising their hand. If you don't do that and you outsource everything to AI, your buyer's going to feel like you don't care about them. And like it or not, that's still a huge component of sales and marketing. So I'm bullish on AI. I'm not so bullish on the fully automate everything. We don't need humans anymore.
Love it. Love to hear. And Kyle, seeing the ads, these are really clever, and I really appreciate what you do for. If I've been injured by an AI SDR, who do I call?
Copy.ai/injured. We got you.
All right. If you've been injured or hurt in a bit of an accident, please call her. You got it. Kyle, thanks for joining us for V5. Man, we really appreciate it.
Likewise, my friend. Always a pleasure.
You're listening to The Unexpected Lever. For additional resources, check out Vivint.com. Got a soapbox you'd like us to talk about longer? Let us know by messaging me, Jarod Greene, on LinkedIn.